Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to understand how do we generate .pb.go file, or also known as generated Protobuf Go files or protocol buffer Go code files. So these files are automatically generated by Proto C compiler using the Proto C Gen Go plugin when you compile a .proto file. So without any further delay, let's get started. So let's first understand how our proto file would look like. So this is my proto file. So a proto file means a protobuf message is defined inside a .proto file, and it would look something like this. And protobuf messages are structured data formats used in protocol buffers to define the shape of the data which will be used, which will be serialized and transmitted between the systems. So all the proto files would look something like this. You need to provide a syntax, and you need to provide proto 3 and options go package. So this will be your folder name where your generated .pb.go file will go, and this is your current package name, and this is the data structure. So where I have three strings of name, of type string, and the name and the value is, and the field name is name, value and key. Okay, so before we generate, we need to install some of the thing as a prerequisite. So this is for Mac. I have for Windows as well. I'll attach these commands in the description box. So the first thing is you need to install the Protobuf, which you can do easily with the homebrew. You can do brew install Protobuf in your command line, and you need to install these two plugins. So first one is Proto C Gen Go. So it will help us to generate Go structs for Protobuf messages, and it will also help, like it will contain the serialization deserialization logic for protobuf messages, and it will include some of the helper functions like marshal, unmarshal, size, etc. Okay, and the second one, proto c gen go grpc. So it will generate Go code for grpc client and server stubs. Now after doing these things, you need to export the path something like this. You can just copy paste and run the command, it will work. And you can check whether your plugin is installed properly and what is the current version. You can use this command, protc gen go hyphen hyphen version command. Okay, now for this proto file, we need to go to this particular place in your command prompt, and you can copy this command, proto c hyphen hyphen go out equal to dot space hyphen hyphen go hyphen grpc underscore out equal to dot and your proto file name. So I'll go to my command line. I can check my current version of the plugins, which is this, and I can run my command for my proto file. So the name of my file is my proto file, so which I am giving over here. So once it run, we can go back to our project. Okay, now you see over here my files folder is created, and I have this .pb.go file is generated. Okay, let me know if you have any doubts. See you in the next. Thank you.